Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. This is Mrs. Mosier. I just wanted to give you a little video explaining how to get into, what to work on, and how to submit your first day assignments for virtual learning for ELA. Myself, Miss Gaston, Mrs. Murray, along with Ms. Mark and Miss Frost will all be here today from 9 to 10 to help you with whatever you need. There's also that learning block today from 2 to 3 where you're free to ask questions, and then tomorrow are the office hours, which is what a lot of colleges do. When you need to speak to a professor, you can just sign in and ask any question that you have. If you're good to go, that's great. But if you have questions, that's the time to do it. Like I said, we'll be live today from 9 to 10, so anything that you need, please buzz in. Once you open your Google Classroom for Ms. Gaston, for today, you're going to go to the classwork tab. Okay, so open that up. And it will say assignments due this week. All right. I want you to first start by opening where it says today's date, 4/6 through 4/10 weekly assignments. Okay. And you will see a Google slide that looks like this. Ms. Gaston kept it very, very simple for you. Okay. Each of your assignments are mapped out by the day of the week. All right. So if you look at Monday, it's pink. So you're going to go to the Monday slide. That is also pink. All right. Once you look at this, there are different steps for you to complete these assignments. Okay. So step 1 says choose any article or video from CNN, Newsella, Wonderopolis, and write a report using Storyboard That, or you're completing a Google Slides document, and I'll explain what that means in a second. If you are using Storyboard That, your sign-in is your Google login. You guys have all used Storyboard That in Miss Gaston's room. You're very familiar with it. It's a more creative way to explain your article. Maybe you're not feeling creative today. You have the option of just completing a sheet that's in Google Docs that essentially gives us the same information showing that you've completed this work. Your step 2, to show your understanding of the article's main idea and claims throughout the text by creating a one-pager, or other visual representation. Follow the directions for Monday recording. So if I'm you and I'm at step 2, I've already picked my article, I'm signed in to Storyboard That, and I'm ready to go, I'm gonna open this and read these directions. So it says Monday reportings. Show your knowledge and comprehension of your article by using the requirements below. Don't forget to review the templates in Storyboard That or the ones downloaded to the guide in the creation of your report. So if I choose the document in Google Docs, I'm going to read this top part right here. If I choose Storyboard That, I'm going to follow these expectations to earn the highest grade possible. Okay? It says optional at the bottom. Start looking at your independent reading book. It's something to think about for Friday, because if you look, Friday's task is first chapter Fridays. Okay? But going back to this green part here, this is important. So you guys know Storyboard That, so there's your option 1. Option 2, if I were to choose that, I would click non-fiction reporting template. Okay. Once it's pulled up, it gives you the same steps as previously. All right, so step 1, pick your article. Step 2, read your article. Step 3, as you read, choose any unfamiliar words. Guys, if you choose an article that doesn't have any unfamiliar words, then it's too easy for you. Our goal with this distance virtual learning is that we're challenging you and still preparing you for the high school next year. Okay, so make sure that there are some words in there that you're unsure of. Write them right here. You're going to use your context clues and tell us what you think they mean, and then that's okay if you're wrong, okay? Because your next step is to look them up and give us the definition right here, okay? Your step 4 is to find the author's claim. You are going to give text evidence or a quote, 3 of them, to explain the author's claim, and then put the main idea or their claim in your own words. Lastly, you're going to give us a summary. Make sure that there's a beginning, a middle, and an end, and you're giving us the most important details. You're not retelling every single part. You're giving us the important details, okay? So once you have decided what you're going to complete, whether it be the storyboard or whether it be the doc, you're going to come back to the classwork tab, okay? And it says turn in Monday reporting assignment here. It'll give you the option to either submit the doc or just hit submit so that Ms. Gaston knows that you did the Storyboard That. All right, and that will help you earn the credit for today. Again, guys, we're still trying to build your skills even though it's online, and we're still trying to instill all the things that you need to be successful for next year in ELA. Okay, I hope that this video helps you. I hope that you have a great first, quote unquote, first back to school today, and enjoy your classes. I know that all of your teachers really miss you. If you have any questions, let us know. This is Mosier, over and out.